Hi guys, I'm about to show you the method I used to maintain my gas burner for more than 5 years now, and it's still serving me. You can see the current situation. We had lots of cooking during the weekend and today is Sunday, so I decided to clean it up. It was looking all dirty a few minutes ago, and now boom, I turned it into this. I'll be using Mr. Best scoring powder to make a paste. So I'll be pouring this into a plate. You can also improvise with Vim scoring powder or baking soda. Then add white vinegar to it. Then add a little bit of Money Fresh dishwashing liquid just to make a paste. So the next thing I'll be doing is to remove the iron on top of the burner. But first of all, I have to check if it is still hot because I just finished making a food now, so that I will get to burn myself. Then I bring out a tissue paper to make sure I clean off the excess on the burner before applying the paste to it. Guys, I would like to know your thoughts at the comment section. Let me know which is the fastest or easiest method you use in cleaning your gas burner. So guys, if you know you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let me know on which content or which topic you want me to put up so that I will do that for you. So the next thing I'll be doing is to start to apply the paste on all sides and all angles of the burner. While I was washing this burner, I was wondering if this white part of the burner is ever going to clean up, because I allowed this to burn so bad that I can't even imagine if it will ever wash up. But with this method, I can't give the result myself. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this burner, if actually it works. So guys, watch this video to the end and let me know if this method really worked out for me. So I am done applying the paste at all corners of the burner, so I would have to leave this to stay for a few minutes before I take another step.
A few moments later.
So I'll be using an iron sponge to scrub the top of this burner, because it seems the kind of dirty on this burner is very stubborn. You know, the headache on top of this burner, in fact the headache is just headaching me, but I need to scrub it out with the help of this vinegar and scoring powder. As you're doing the cleaning, don't forget to clean this part of the burner because it's necessary, and don't pour in water into it because you don't want to damage it. Now I have washed these 3 cover of the burner. The next thing I'll be doing is to wash the iron, but I have to then swipe it with a tissue paper so that you get to see how dirty it is. Then after that, I covered it all, and now our burner is ready, brand new and fresh. So here is the before look of this gas burner, and now look at the current look of this gas burner. Isn't that beautiful? Now it's looking so fine, beautiful and clean. If this is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye, see you next time.